regards below, I answer the interview. Where are your professional presentation? My name is Carol Montilla. I am 30 years old. I am from the city of Popayán. I am living in Cali. I am married. I am half 20-month-old girl. I am currently in the 8th semester of psychology and not I am independent. What is your dream hub? Support your answer. The hub of my dream is to be professional in psychology, in the able to have my own office in the same way to participate in projects in which I am contributing in my experience and knowledge that I will a better quality of life in the society. What do you need to become social? What is needed to be successful in psychology is to be dedicated, have empathy, respect for others, and of course have a professional ethic. Which aspect can help to improve it in your professional area? I know that must improve planning my day, having good communication, not separate work and the personal life, and not taking advantage of time. What can you do for the work from your professional perspective? What I can do professionally is to generally change, improving lifestyle, be raising awareness in society. Thank you.